Things sure sound dangerous outside the city gates.
They were. That is why ranging was only permitted for those within Iron's Pass.
How do you get one of those?
You prove yourself responsible, worthy of trust, capable of surviving.
Sir, my brother inside already?
Yes. Spreading wild claims about killing a river cyclops. Invention without end.
We are Spartans. Our words are truth enough.
Words are nothing. Especially yours. Go.
For Sparta, sir.
And control your brother. This city grieves. Last thing it needs is his enthusiasm.
The Cyclops battered us, but our shields held firm. Then I shifted tactics and saw our chance.
Spartans!
Always united!
You have training. See to it.
That Iron's Pass went to the right Spartans.
You're forgetting you're like Kyrgyz. Spartan strength whispers. Boasting shouts its own defeat.
It's not boasting if we did it.
That makes it worse somehow. Just show some humility in front of the sculptor.
Is that the sweat of success I smell?
Sir, the Cyclops near the river felled for the glory of Sparta.
Well done, boys. Well done indeed. Your first unsupervised excursion was as productive as I hoped. Come. These are for you. Lifelike recreations of our beloved Lycurgus. Enchanted to chronicle your experiences as you travel.
That is Lycurgus?
Forever a student. I am only as good as my best tools. My prized chisels were resting here just yesterday. Now, in their place, look! See that? Kirkopi's fur. It is those thieving creatures hiding in the forest. Know them?
Kirkopis. Sir. Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Take those busts. Enchant them further. Use them to get my chisel back. For Sparta!
For Sparta!
Kirkopis? What's a Kirkopis?
How should I know? Come, let's head back to the river.
Nobody's doing anything about it. Not the E-Force, not the Agoj. Nobody.
Brother, Vasilis went missing.
Who?
Vasilis? He's in your age class?
He knows. We're sorry to hear that.
Where I'm from, you never abandon a sister. Much less a student.
We'll definitely keep an eye out. Did you know we have an Iron's Pass?
Yeah, you might have mentioned it. I gotta go.
Why did you promise that?
I didn't promise anything. I said we'd keep an eye out.
Let's just go.
You really think Apollo's paying attention to us?
Where's your faith? Spartans are the gods' favorite sons. See, brother? Told you! Apollo has delivered.
You are not kidding. Wait, how do we know that's a gift for us? He might be stealing it.
It's not stealing if we don't get caught. Spartan law.
But aren't the gods always watching?
Common misconception.
Crazy. What else is in here?
Look around.
So, it's okay to steal?
For soldiers. To be prepared for war is to learn resourcefulness and cunning.
I guess the rules are different in war.
Indeed, Clive. Indeed.
What do you think we have here? Not sure it's working.
Apollo wouldn't have put it here if he didn't want us to use it.
Well, we can check back.
Here, Demos!
You okay, brother?
I'm fine. We just need to find another way back.
Wait, isn't that the sculptor's chisel? See, his initials are on it.
Take it and run. Stay back!
What are you, Kirkopes?
Do we look like Kirkopes to you?
Yes.
No. On the authority of the Agoge and the glorious might of Sparta, we reclaim those stolen tools.
Stolen? But those are ours.
Yeah, they just look like the old man's tools.
Yeah, including his initials.
I thought Spartans were fine with stealing because it proves resourcefulness.
Only when you're not caught.
And you left fur all over the sculptor's office.
Right. Well, what are the odds? Phasalis, help me look for that thing I was looking for. I know I'd be sad if it was our property that was stolen.
Oh, right. The thing.
You escape punishment today, you pair of monkeys. Stay out of the Agoge, brother.
Hey, either of you seen lions in this forest?
No way. Lions don't live anywhere near here.
Let's get this chisel back to the sculptor.
You know, we found the Kirkopes' hidden lair. Sure would be a shame if some of their stuff was stolen.
I don't think I understand. The Kirkopes are talking monkeys?
They were men once, transformed by the gods in punishment for their antics.
Into talking monkeys? The gods are so silly sometimes.
Calliope,
Well, they are, aren't they?
shall I continue or not?
Yes, please.
Brother! To my side, quickly! Brother! To my side, quickly! Thanks, brother.
You lose the tools?
Tools are secure.
Grab a plume. No proof like proof, right?
Your irritating brother's already inside. Killed a Stymphalian this time. What nonsense.
Really, Ace? I hope he turns up.
It just doesn't seem like the Spartan way. Hey, Kratos, what about you? aside from all the magical beasts, you see anything interesting out there?
Just some Kirkopis. And lion hair.
Kirkopis? Wait. Vasilis had a coat of lion hair the Agoj wouldn't let him wear on school grounds. That must be what you found. He's really out there somewhere.
Yeah, Ace. Maybe. We're keeping an eye out for him. Less words, more deeds.
I wish you would stop promising people that.
Ace was close to Vasilis. He's really upset. Nothing wrong with doing something kind. It's worth it.